Jeff Buttle's been the face of men's skating in Canada. When the 26-year-old announced his retirement in September, the landscape of men's skating in this country immediately shifted.
Anytime you lose an athlete of Jeff's ability and standard and what he brought to skating, there's always going to be some change. The opportunity for all these men is, you're kind of always looking of, Jeff is here, Patrick's here, I maybe could get that third spot. Now it really changes, and now we need 3 strong men at Worlds, because the 2 top men are going to determine the size of our Olympic team.
Patrick Chan has become the new undisputed king. Even though he's just 17, the Toronto skater is Canadian champion after all, and his top 10 finish at this year's World Championships puts him into a league of his own at home.
Patrick Chan's got to be the guy that's got some world experience now. He's felt what it's like to be a Canadian champion.
I think I know Patrick pretty well, so he will see this as a huge opportunity, and he's not going to let this one pass.
I think now what'll be interesting to watch is, now that Patrick's put in that position as the favorite, is to watch how he deals with that new pressure.
Patrick Chan! While no one would question Patrick's place at the top of the ladder, there is much debate who's a rung or 2 below him. The Canadian champion is practically guaranteed one of 3 spots to next year's Worlds. And that means as many as 8 men are scrambling to fill those other 2 spots.
There is skaters coming up. Will they have that impact this year? We'll have to wait and see. The season has started out strong. We started right off the bat with 2 guys that have shown, you know what? I'm here to make a push for this. So those results are really going to stimulate the other guys, because now they know what they have to strive.
The top contenders for those 2 spots include Kevin Reynolds, an 18-year-old skater known for his big jumps; Sean Sawyer, 3 times a Canadian bronze medalist; Fedor Andreev, a 1-time Canadian medalist; Lloydminster, Alberta's Vaughn Chipier, who finished 4th at last year's Canadians; young Elijah Balde, who recently qualified for the Junior Grand Prix final; and let's not forget about Jeremy Ten, 2007 Canadian Junior champion. But are any of them really ready to step up and be Patrick Chan's strong understudy like Patrick was for Jeff?
You need it. You need someone strong to push. And I think last year the best thing for Jeff was Patrick, because you always need that. Competition's competition, and Patrick had a good season last year. He had some good scores, got to the final, but you never know at Canadians what'll happen. It's up to them to put that pressure on him.